We are currently on our behind the scenes tour. We're on the bridge right now, which is where the captains do their navigations and stuff like that. And we spotted some whales.
It's a beautiful day to be cruising. This is a fantastic day. Absolutely stunning.
We made it to Victoria, British Columbia. This is our last port, and we'll be back in Seattle in the morning. We made it back to Seattle. I'm sad it's over. I'm sorry I didn't do a better job vlogging, but it is what it is. We will be disembarking soon, and then we will be flying out and get home sometime this evening. Thank y'all so much for watching.